Hello, welcome to WinTOTO Advance version 3.3. This video I will show you all the new upgrades, all the features that I've added in for this version. First, take a look at the on this menu, maintenance and forecast tracking. Take a look at this one. This screen actually show you the forecasting and the result, how is the performance. Okay, you have a column called forecast date. Example, on the item number 20, the date is 16 March 2014. Okay, that is the forecast date, and it has forecasted this number, this group of number. They are altogether 28 numbers, and then he will check the result of the next draw. That means is on the 19th of March 2004, and found that there are 4 winning number from the forecast. This is how the forecast tracking is all about. If you see a red color, means out of like this one example 6/28 mean they are all together forecast 28 number, and inside this 28 number there are 6 of them hit the number. So this is red color means it's a jackpot. Okay, so based on this one, this is called position forecast, which is new in this version. Okay, this version I have added 3 different type of forecast: a left scan forecast, and right scan forecast. Another one is the position forecast. All these are based on some algorithm that I have added into the programs to do the forecasting. Okay, so from this forecast tracking, you can roughly gauge how is the trend of the number going about, because in Toto program, Toto games, the numbers keep changing. It's very dynamically changing, so you can't rely on a single type of forecast. So I have to keep on adding new type of forecast to capture what is the trend, which one is the best to play now. So for example, I think so far this one is position forecast is still better for the Malaysia Magnum 652 with bonus game. Okay, so close the forecast. The next features I have added in is the summary. On the summary, I have make quite a big changes here. Okay, notice that there is this drop down list that shows the type of forecast. Okay, when I select the type of forecast, it will highlight the number to red color. Red color means it belongs to this forecast number. So for some of you may want to look at a different type of forecast and then do the analysis, you can select position forecast, then the highlighted number will be different. Okay, this is another way. And okay, another thing I add in is the filter. Very important to understand further or analyze further in a summary. What we need to do is to example, let's say if I want to know the number range from 25 to let's say 36, I don't want to all have all the number. I can just filter. I can key in 25-36 and then click here, and it will show you all the different type of filter. So this one, if I filter by number, it will shortlist all the number from 25 to 36. This is how it goes about. Because now it's using single one ball, then you can see that only this group of number. You can't filter by span with single ball number. Okay. Another way is let's reset the summary first. Okay. Okay, let's say if you filter by reverse scan, that means it will show you all the numbers that are forecasted based on reverse scan method. All are down here, but you are highlighting position forecast. In this way, you'll notice that the red color is the position forecast number, and it intersects with the reverse scan method. So two different forecast methods, when they combine together, you notice 31, 28 belong to both type of forecast. You can switch it over to left scan and you notice a different intersection. Sometimes we call union. So it's all depend on how you terms terminology. Okay. So let's say if I also filter by left scan and also display by left scan, then you notice that all the numbers are red in color. This is the group of numbers that using left scan method. Okay, this is one of the way. And let's go to 2 ball or maybe 3 ball, minimum 3 hit, and apply. This one is a much clearer picture. If I were to filter, before I filter using sum, let's say I give you an example on the sum, I will use the sum analysis. Okay, this is sum 2. Okay, just now I was using 3 balls, so I need to analyze sum 3. Okay, when you are in sum 3, you'll notice that the group size is 14. Okay, let's change it to group size 5. Apply. Sum 3, group 5, sum of 5. You notice one of the sum keep coming out. Okay, so let's assume that I will want to analyze 76 to 80, this group of number. Okay, 76 to 80. I go back to the summary. I type 76-80. And then I click filter. I click filter by sum. In this way, the whole list of summary is all belong to the sum of 76 to 80. You notice there is a new column here called sum. So down here is all the number that belong to this group. In this way, you can further analyze it and pinpoint what is the best 3 numbers to play. Also, example, let's say I want to pick this 2, 6, 26 and 31 to play for the next game. I can just click the fix button away and then copy here. Maybe I copy one whole group of number from here. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15 set of number. Right click, copy, and you can go to the viewer and paste in the number there, and you notice there are 32 number. Don't worry, just now you are using a 3 number. Let's say assume that you want this one as a key number. All you need to do is to put this one as a key number. Okay, you DIY view, then you notice that you can select a key number, win 6 guarantee 5, click OK. You're only buying a 68 ticket. That is, for Malaysia, is only 68 ringgit. Out of you are buying actually 32 number, you know. So this is how it works, and you are playing all the 3 key number. Cool. You can buy multiple group of different set. This is how you optimize your play. Okay, I close this filter. So filter is very interesting. You can also use the span filter if you want to. Okay, span filter, same thing. You just have to go to the span analysis feature and analyze the next span that most likely going to come up. Okay, so the summary of system, I have added in all these filter, very useful filter. Okay, now another thing that I have added in is the display table. Now you notice the red color. Okay, red color, and also related to this this drop down combo. Okay, down here is showing position forecast. Red color means it's a position forecast number. You can also switch it to reverse scan. Okay, red color is belong to the reverse scan method of forecast, so you can switch and then do the analysis using this highlighting. Okay, then Okay, I have added two more grouping, standard grouping for you. After you upgraded, you can notice that there is this two last two group called, one group is called last digit, another group is sum digit. You click on the last digit, you notice that it defined for you already. Last time you don't have, so you have to define manually, but now I pre-program it so that some of you that do not know how to do user define, the program actually do for you now. Okay, these are the two groups that added in. Then I also did some fine-tuning in the viewer so that you filter faster. Okay, then there is this anything else, let me see. Is there anything else? Yes, there is one more new button called import CSV. This is called code separated delimiter. Okay, when you are using Excel, you can actually export the data in CSV format, and then later you can import into this viewer to do a further filtering. If you want to make use of this very advanced filtering method here, then you can use these features. Okay, I think that's all for this upgrade. When I have time, I will try to do some video demonstration on how to analyze and how to use the whole program more effectively. Okay, bye bye. Thank you for watching this video.